all of you. Today I came with another second problem in exercise 8.1 in algebraic expression, which is nothing but 8th class maths. First, in the last video we have done the addition of terms, that is algebraic sums. Now we are going to solve the subtraction problems. In this first problem we are having subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. What they have given ma 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. We have to subtract this term from this term. So first we have to write these terms. First of all we have to write this term. From this term we are going to subtract this term. Okay, first step 1, 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus of 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Okay, next 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus into plus minus 4a minus into minus plus 7ab minus into plus minus 3b minus 12. First of all you can note down the a terms. 12a minus 4a, that is nothing but 8a. B terms 5b minus 3b, that is nothing but plus 2b. Next minus 9ab plus 7ab minus 2ab minus 3 minus 12, that is nothing but minus 15. This is the answer. Or you can common these terms also. 8a plus 2b into 1 minus a minus 15, like that also you can write. Next, coming to B, problem B. So I am writing directly. We have to write 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from. So we have to write this term first. After that this term we have to write by assigning the negative sign. That is 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz minus of 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Let us see. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz minus 3xy minus 5yz plus 7zx. Next 5xy minus 3xy, that is nothing but it will become 2xy minus 2y. 5xy minus 3xy becomes 2xy, and minus 2yz minus 5yz will become 7yz. So here we are having minus 2zx 7zx, that is nothing but plus 5zx. Remaining term is 10xyz. Let us check the answers. Here we are having the answers for 2a. What is the answer? 8a square minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Here we are having 8a plus 2b minus 2ab minus 15. Okay, 8a minus 2b minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Next, second one, 2xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xyz. Same answer we got. Thank you. For more videos please like, share and subscribe my channel.